people. So yesterday I binged watched this thing called Masaba Masaba, this 6 episode series on Netflix, and my God, if there's one thing you'll have to watch on Netflix, it is this show Masaba Masaba, because it is one of the cutest, and it is based on the life of Masaba, right? Nina Gupta's supremely talented daughter. So really, I mean, right from the, I mean, I won't even say casting, because they are playing themselves, right, in their life. So it's a show unlike anything else. Like in terms of now of late, really hats off to Netflix. They've kind of, it's literally like the pulse of the planet they've got. Like in terms of because there is a lot of people would like to know how Nina Gupta, hats off to the lady. Yeah, I mean, and Masaba Gupta, you fall in love with her, I mean, regardless of your own gender, being a woman also. When you see that series, you're like, it's just so amazing, so that's what, even as I'm recording all this, like I said, I have I mean, it's with great difficulty I'm able to do any recording, because this little guy sits on my lap. And so that's what I was, now my I have company when I watch Netflix. So but really, people, so do try and catch it. It's called Masaba Masaba, and it's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.